Hey, Earl. Here's today's real-world question. Earl, here's my problem I started hosting a few months ago. For the first 3 months, I was booked consistently. Lately, bookings have slowed way down. I've listed the property across platforms. I believe my photos are solid, and my pricing is competitive compared to nearby listings. I'm trying to figure out what else I can do to get back to being consistently booked without overspending or guessing at fixes. That's where I'm at.
This is what we practice and teach at Real Relief. Here's what we teach at Real Relief mechanically. This slowdown happens when early visibility fades and performance takes over. What's actually happening? New listings receive temporary algorithmic exposure. Once that exposure ends, listings are evaluated on conversion, pricing, alignment, and guest response behavior. At that stage, hosts aren't competing on being new, they're competing on efficiency. What experienced operators focus on? Price responsiveness, not static rates. Conversion performance, not raw views. Seasonal demand shifts, not daily fluctuations. Listing clarity photos, titles, and descriptions that answer questions quickly. The guardrail. When bookings drop after the early phase, the issue is rarely traffic alone. It's usually how well the listing converts the traffic it already gets. Non-negotiable, guessing doesn't fix performance. Measurement does.
Most listings don't stall, they transition. The difference between plateau and progress is knowing what to adjust first. Quick poll A. Pricing feels off B. Listing presentation needs work C. Guest inquiries aren't converting D. I'm not sure where the breakdown is. Why JV partners work with Real Relief Consulting? They have landlord leads but stall in the conversation. They get deals under contract but aren't confident in pricing or demand. They want to scale without guessing, hoping, or blowing relationships. We help new and experienced investors close landlord deals and then build the entire operating system so the property actually makes money with midterm and STR guests. This is not theory. This is execution support. Curious what others noticed changed after their first few strong months? Want Earl to break down your situation next? Drop your question below or schedule your discovery call.